अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज की जो वीडियो है उसमें हमारा टॉपिक है मेंसुरेशन। और इस टॉपिक को मैंने बेसिकली 2 वीडियोस में डिवाइड किया। ये फर्स्ट हाफ है इसका जिसमें हम सिर्फ 2D शेप्स कवर करेंगे और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम 3D शेप्स कवर करेंगे। राइट, तो लेट्स बिगिन। We need to find the perimeter. Now perimeter is something that is very easy to find. We just need to take the sum of all sides. So 5. Okay, now this is also we don't know. So let's figure it out. अगर मैं इस तरह शेप को देखूं तो ये यहाँ तक 5 है, ये 12 है और ये पूरा 20 है, तो ये 17 हो जाएगा and this will be 3. So this will be 5 plus 3, this part. ये 25 होगा. We are done with this part and this part. Now this part, that is 12. This is 10. This is 5. Okay, over here if we see, now this total is 25 plus 5, 30. If this is 10, this will be 20. And finally this is 20. So 25, 25, 50, 50, 70, 80, 92, 95 and 100. So this is 100 centimeter. Now coming towards the area. For the area of such a shape, we need to divide the shape into rectangles so that we can easily find the area, because ये irregular shape we cannot find the area of this shape. So we need to divide it. So let's make this as a first division and let's make this as a second division. You can divide it in any way. You could have even divided it like this and this. Okay, so basically this is 5 and this part is, we had just found 25 plus 5, 30, 30 minus 10, 20. So this is 20 multiplied by 5. 20 multiplied by 5, that is 100. This part on the other hand, that is 12 multiplied by 30, that is 360. And this small part is 5 and this was 3. 5 3s are 15. So we will eventually add all these. So 360, 460, 475. This is the area. Now let's solve this question. Okay, the diagram shows the metal cover for a circular drain. Water drains out through the shaded sections. Alright, O is the center of the circle with radius 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters. So this is 1, this is 1 because 2, this is 1 and this is 1 and this is 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how these values will come to us because all these distances are 1. The cover has rational symmetry order of 6. Of course, because 6 are colored, so 6 times it will land on its original place. BOC is equal to 40 degree. We know this angle, that is 40. Alright, calculate the area of the shaded region ABCD. We need to find this area. This one. ABCD. Giving your answer in terms of pi. Okay, so what can we do is we can find the area of the whole sector and then we can subtract the red part from it. Let me color this part red. We can subtract this. First we can find the whole OBC and then we can subtract OAD so that we can get ABCD. Okay, so let's do this. So the angle is same, 40 upon 360 into pi. We have to be careful with the radius. Now the radius of OB, the radius is OB for the complete red plus green. So that radius will be 4. So 16 square. Sorry, 4 square, that is 16. Alright. So this goes 4 ones are 4, 9s are. So this is 16 pi over 9. And then we will subtract the smaller area, that is again 40 upon 360 into pi. Now the radius will be 3, that is 9. 3 square is 9. Again 4 ones are 4, 9s are 9, 9. This is only pi. So 16 pi minus pi, we can even keep it as 9 pi upon 9, so that we can subtract it. So this is 7 pi over 9. So the area will be 7 pi over 9. Alright, centimeter square. Okay, now let's look at this question. AD and BC are arcs of the circle with center O. We have the radius AOD is 150 degree. The perimeter of the shaded ABCD. Now for perimeter, we already know this is 25, so this will also be 25 because the radius won't change. We just need to know the length of arc AD and length of arc BC. So how will we find the length of arc AD? That is 150 upon 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. What is my r? R is 20, right? So this will be cancelled. 5, 12, 10, 6, 3, 5. Okay, so this is 5 5s are 25. Okay, and multiply by 2 also, so that will be 50 pi over 3. Now we need to find BC, length of arc BC. So that is again 150 upon 360, but what would change? The radius would change into 2 pi r. And what is my r? My r will be 20 plus 25, that is 45. Again 5, 12, 2 ones are 6 are 3 2s are 6 and 3 ones are 3, 15. So this will be 15 multiplied by 5, that is 75. So 75 pi over 2. So we will add all these values. 75 pi over 2 plus 25 plus 25 plus 50 pi over 3. So this 25 plus 25 will give me a 50, and 3 2s are, let's take LCM 6. So over here we have to multiply 75 with 3. Now 75 multiplied by 3 is 225. So 225 plus, okay, that was 50 pi. So 50 multiplied by 2 will be 100. Now this will give me 325 pi. And that is divided by 6 basically. So we can even leave our answer like this. 50 plus 325 pi over 6, because it is telling us to give in terms of pi. It has not told us to. We can give our answer like this, or we can even simplify it. We can write it in decimal form even. So let's do 325 multiplied by pi, that is 1021.018 divided by 6, that will give us 170.16, and then plus 50. Let's add 50 in this. So that is 220. the perimeter. अच्छा, शायद आप लोगों के दिमाग में ये क्वेश्चन आए कि हमने सारी वैल्यूज ऐड क्यों की हैं, बिकॉज पे अटेंशन ऑन द फैक्ट कि हम लोग पेरीमीटर निकाल रहे हैं, ये पेरीमीटर. सो पेरीमीटर में ये AD, BC, CB और BA ये सब ऐड होंगे, राइट क्योंकि हम शेडेड शेप का पेरीमीटर निकाल रहे हैं. ओके, then they're saying that the total area of the metal unshaded section is 55 upon 3 pi. All right. So ये basically हमें कौन से एरिया दे रहे हैं, हमें ये वाला एरिया बता रहे हैं ये लोग. That is 55 upon 3 pi. और हमें ये निकालना है, तो पहले तो हमें बेसिकली पूरा OBC वाला एरिया चाहिए होगा. उसके लिए हम लोग अपना रेडियस लेंगे 45. सो इट विल बी 150 अपॉन 360 पाई आर स्क्वायर, और हम इसमें से ये वाला माइनस करेंगे. सो 150 अपॉन 360 पाई आर स्क्वायर, 45 स्क्वायर माइनस 55 अपॉन 3 पाई. ये डायरेक्टली हम लोग डालेंगे और हमारे पास इससे आंसर आ जाएगा. So 150 upon 360 multiplied by pi multiplied by 45 square, that gives me 3375 upon 4 pi. ठीक है, pi in the numerator, and then we will do minus 55 upon 3 pi. So since it's saying give your answer in terms of pi, so the answer comes out to be 9905 pi over 12. All right, calculate the fraction of the total area of the cover that is metal, that is unshaded. तो unshaded ये रहा हमारे पास. टोटल हमारे पास जो आया था वो ये है. Let's just find the total again. 150 divided by 360. हम पाई को इग्नोर कर देते हैं बिकॉज पाई पाई कैंसिल हो जाएगा. मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 45 स्क्वायर, राइट. तो हमारा जो टोटल एरिया आ रहा है हमारे पास, दैट इज 3375 over 4. ऑलराइट, और हमारे पास जो शेडेड है वो 55 अपॉन 3 है. हमने पाई ऑलरेडी कैंसिल कर दिया. सो 55 अपॉन 3 multiplied by, this is dividing 3375 upon 4, so we will flip it 4 upon 3375. These both go in the table of 5. This is 675. So basically हमारे पास जो fraction आ रहा है that is 44 upon 2025, जो हमारे पास अनशेडेड एरिया है. That is, this is the fraction. (44 upon 2025). All right. Okay, so अब हम लोग ये last question करेंगे for the day. Okay, the diagram shows an L-shaped piece of card. The measures are in, okay, calculate the perimeter. Very easy. 8 plus 9, we need to find this. If this is 4, this will also be 4. 4 plus, okay, we need to find this. If this is 3, so this will be 6. Plus 6 plus 4 plus 3. So 8 plus 9 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3, that is 34. उसके बाद स्क्वायर पीसेस ईच ऑफ साइड 2 सेंटीमीटर आर कट फ्रॉम दिस कार्ड. फाइंड द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर पीसेस वी कैन मेक. ओके, सो इसके लिए हम इस शेप को डिवाइड कर देंगे. अब यहाँ सिंस 3 है तो ये वाली स्पेस खाली छूट जाएगी बिकॉज दिस इज 2 एंड दिस इज 4, तो ये एग्जैक्टली यूज हो जाएगी 2 2. तो यहाँ से हमारे पास 2 बॉक्सेस आएंगे. यहाँ भी 4 है लेंथ, तो हम इसको एग्जैक्टली हाफ में डिवाइड करेंगे, बट यहाँ 9 है. तो यहाँ मतलब मैक्सिमम 4 बॉक्सेस बन सकते हैं बिकॉज 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that's 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boxes can be obtained. So I hope आपको ये समझ आया होगा. Thank you so much.